Toyota robot semi automatic. You want to change the clutch. 5-speed transmission, 5 for 6 another one. You buy the clutch. This is the original Aisin. This part number, only this one. Okay, it's original by Aisin. Disc, bearing, pressure plate. But we have some note. This is for semi-automatic 5-speed. And inside you have the teeth. And look at this. Oh, you see? The teeth. Teeth is not on the start position. It left 2 teeth. But it's new. You're installing, you're doing calibration and neutral flashing. What it means? It means that it cannot calibrate the clutch. Why? Because the pressure plate not in start position. So need to do start position for pressure plate, just that it will calibrate the clutch. A lot of people saying, I don't know, I did installed like this and it worked okay, but it's like 80 to 20% not working. So if you don't want to have some risk, make the start position. Так. О! I have small description why it happens. I think when them doing like quality control, maybe them pressed few times and this is jumping, but nobody put it back. And this is why it happens, because sometimes it on second teeth, sometimes on third teeth. That's all.